YouTube, Aussie Outlaw here with another video. Today we meet the Snake Lady of Bali. She's a fantastic person who raises funds for the charity Bali Street Dogs, which I'll put a link to in the description. She goes around with her snake and creates awareness of the homeless dogs that live on the streets in Bali and the things that they do to try and help them. So do check it out. Just remember, many alcoholic beverages were consumed in the making of this video, which will become very obvious. So remember, drink wisely, and cheers. Thanks for watching.
I couldn't do that.
Why?
I would be so scared.
No, don't be scared.
Really?
He never bites, never chokes.
Really?
That's why we can have him out in public.
What's his name?
Titan.
Titan. See, if you had a name like Flossie or something, I'll be with it. But Titan says...
Because that's what he does to his rats, not to
Titan's
humans. Because Titan can't swallow you, so he's not going to kill you for no reason.
What kind of...
It's a boa constrictor.
What? A boa constrictor? So they can grow up to...
8 metres.
Yeah.
But we don't let him.
Oh, from feeding?
No, from container size.
Oh, okay. So he'd be like how many years old? 2?
3.
3, okay. Really? I got a friend of mine who lives in Los Angeles, and he's a herpetologist?
Yeah.
How do I say that? Yeah.
Herpetologist.
Shout out to you, mate. Yeah, he knows.
Herpetologist.
Yeah.
Because it reminds me of herpes.
Oh, there you go. Don't talk herpes.
And so it's a herpetologist that does snakes and reptiles. Well, reptiles.
They're beautiful. That's like, I'm like so scared. I could not.
Don't be scared.
No, I'm not.
This one will kill you. I guarantee it.
Yeah?
He will. I'll come up there and I'll put him around.
Don't look that scared.
And if you are really scared, you tell me and I'll take him straight off.
Serious?
But I'll tell you something.
Don't have to buy you a drink?
Once you got him on, you will love him so much you don't want to take him off.
I'm not loving it.
I have put him around so many people just like you, and once they've held him, they loved it.
In Vietnam, he's had a snake around his neck.
I had a snake around my neck in Vietnam. I was my
Well, the thing is, well, yeah, they don't like perfume.
There you go.
Yeah.
And this thing wanted to kill me, man. He was saying, I hate you, Aussie Outlaw.
You probably held a python. Pythons.
Wow, I got a bit of a...
Python.
I have got a bit of a python going on down there.
Pythons are totally different from boas.
Oh yeah, true, sorry.
Boas are very calm.
I'm back on track now.
And if you hold him, I'll ask you for a donation, and that goes towards the Bali stray dogs to keep them vaccinated.
Could I just donate anyway?
You may, but
because I donated to the Soy Dog Foundation in Thailand. We donated $800. We did a live stream on YouTube, and we donated $800 to that as a group. Because in Thailand it's like fucking out of control.
Have you noticed that most of the stray dogs now look a lot healthier?
Yeah, and they're tagged.
And they've got a collar or a ribbon.
I was wondering why that.
That means they've been vaccinated.
Ah, cool.
And looked after.
I thought they were owned. I thought they were owned by somebody, but still not going to be owned.
No, well, nobody wants to own them, but they are being looked after. That's the most important thing.
Fantastic. Well, we'll just donate anyway. Can we do that?
Okay, but I'll come and put the snake on you.
Fuck, you're not putting no snake on me, man.
Come on.
I'll give you a kiss. I'll give you a kiss.
No, try it. I don't kiss men.
On your cheek, for God's sake. I'm not going to like...
You can kiss the snake.
Don't kiss men. I'm going to give her a kiss on the cheek.
You can kiss the snake on the head. That's very good luck.
I couldn't do that to... No, there ain't no chance I can do that.
Yes, you can.
I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that. Look, but I'll donate.
Or like this.
Nah, sorry.
And he likes it like that the best because he feels the vibration of me kissing him.
And he's so used to you, he hangs around with you all the time.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter which human holds him. He's used to it.
Can I just donate whatever I've got in my pocket?
Alright.
Alright. And we can still kiss? We still kiss? We're gonna fucking kiss.
Sweaty.
Wait, I don't care, we're gonna kiss. I'll turn my camera off.
Would
Alright.
I do this if he
Oh,
would
there
let
is.
you? I wouldn't. I put him around little babies.
I'm scared as fuck. There is Aussie Outlaw doing
The snake charming.
the snake